is my presentation. Number 1, who I am. Number 2, my trip to Cascada del Fin del Mundo and Tigueral Water. Number 3, recommendations. Number 4, what you should not do. Nice to meet you. My name is Angie Milena Jocoerazo. I'm from the Pasto City. I am 24 years old. I like my father and my younger brothers. I work as personal instructor 2 years ago. I love sports and especially teaching. I love dogs and I also work with some foundation for animal support. I am probably studying administration because I love it like it. 2. My grad trip, Cascada del Fin del Mundo. In February, I traveled with my best friend to Cascada del Fin del Mundo in Mocoa, Putumayo. It was a beautiful trip that we are having a moment to know. Unfortunately, the road is very dangerous, but it was not an impediment to get to know this great landscape. After walking 2 hours, we were to swim in 3 beautiful lakes and finally reached the beautiful website for 2 days enjoying. The water. The tropical water is what great. Recommendations. It's advisable to travel in company because the road is dangerous and salty. It's important to travel in the day because it's a mountain area. It is important to travel when it's not raining. It's inadvisable to have good physical condition for work. It's important to be hydrated during the course of the walk. If you want to know the waterfall, you should follow the recommendations of the guides. You also have better take and down money because everything is very expensive, but it's worth it. 4. What you should not do. You should not go to this place if you are in poor physical condition because you are 2 hours on a very unstable inside and it will be dangerous for your health. Thank you very much.